Hello everyone, my name is Olga Van Light and today I would like to show you lifelong office chair wheels. And yes guys, it's great to have them replacement and this is actually a set of 5. And yes, the first thing we see them insert, and let's look at the wheels. We're not going to reinvent it, but look at these. These are actually something that you would find on your roller blades. Look at that. Look at that wheel, and again it's made out of this very nice rubber, and again cannot wait to replace this chair's wheels with these. And yes, it actually has 5 of them. And did you know that almost all of the office chairs are pretty universal? So just take one of yours out and check these out so it actually matches. Absolutely love these, and again very nice package, and I feel like we all are due for an upgrade.